Not sticky at all, but enough grip that I think it would stay in place, so that is nice. I really like that. I love the way that it smells. Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my Ipsy Extra for the month of April. I'll pop deets right here, and we're gonna dive in. All right, it's packaged nicely, and each month we receive a little pamphlet or a card with our subscription. Our theming for April 2026, Dare to Daydream. This month, see yourself in a dreamy, new way with ultra feminine, romantic beauty that brings out your soft side. It generally gives us like pertinent deets and stuff like that as well. And we also have a QR code that we can scan to see all of our products and stuff like that. All right, first up, right on top, I actually received these in my PR box as well. This is the Pink Lips Makeup Brush Set. It is a 2-piece face brush set. And because I do have plenty of brushes, I am not going to open this or use it or anything like that. And I do already have makeup on my face, or I would demo some stuff with you guys. I generally try to. Next up is the Wander Beauty in the Clouds eyeshadow palette. And I'd like to know, while I'm waiting to open this, what did you receive in your box? Are we box twins? What were you hoping to receive that you didn't? I feel like Wander Beauty is definitely a staple in like the, you know, spectrum of beauty subscription boxes. That's really, really pretty. Oh, okay. This reminds me of something. Like very much reminds me of something, and I can't pinpoint what I think it is right now. But that is what it looks like. Keep in mind this is upside down. So very neutral, very soft, and then some really pretty pops of like pastel-y shades, and then our beautiful shimmer shades. This looks absolutely stunning. So far so good, you guys. And y'all know I want to see a palette in every single box. That's just me. Next up is the, oh, I love this mascara. This is the Benefit Bounce Bad Gal Fuller, Fluffier Volumizing Mascara. And this mascara is pretty much worth the entirety of the entire box. I speak to this a lot, specifically for me because I have a resale group. I do giveaways, things like that. I always feel like I get a good bang for my buck. I always see the value in my subscription boxes. But for me, I view it as like, I'm paying for one, kind of getting 4 items for free. That's kind of how I equate it, because most of the items are going to be roughly the price of the box each. So I always get a good value. I like to know what you guys think. Next up, we got the Beauty For Real Lip Revival High Shine Hydrating Lip Oil. Ooh, in Strawberry Fields. That sounds incredible. I do want to see what it looks like. Okay, kind of standard packaging. It's not gonna have a shade. I don't understand why, and not just them, anybody. Any brand comes out with all of these like lip oils in 15 different shades when they all pretty much look the same. So I wish if there was gonna be like different shades, different whatever, there would be a variance in the shades. I am gonna go in with a disposable applicator in the case that I do not like it. Ooh, that smells yummy. Ooh. Very, very high shine. Not sticky at all, but enough grip that I think it would stay in place, so that is nice. I really like that. I love the way that it smells. And then last up, I think I got the exact same one, maybe a different shade in my PR box. This is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Vinyl in Shimmering Cinnamon Spice. Actually, I think I got like a more like mauve shade in my PR box. Now this looks so pretty that I'm actually intrigued by this. I said this in my PR unboxing when I got the other shade of this. This is not my favorite formula. I've not tried the vinyls, but the standard like Maracuja Juicy Lips, when they first launched, I, of course, was like, oh, that sounds like a me product. Let me try it. Everybody was hyping it up. I hated it. Not just disliked it. I hated it. Like, it just is mushy and gushy and doesn't stay in place. But if you've tried this, and I'm looking at this shade, y'all, and it looks stunning, I may end up trying this. I do like the packaging. I will note too, this is one of those that once you click it up, you cannot click it back down. So just click 1 or 2 little clicks, enough to just get the product to disperse, and just kind of be mindful of that. Even though I don't know how I feel about this, the color's beautiful, but I don't know about the actual texture and stuff of this, I'm still giving this a 5 out of 5. We got our Tarte Lip Vinyl. We got the Hydrating Lip Oil. It smells so good and feels really nice. We got the Benefit Bounce Mascara. We got the Wander Beauty eyeshadow palette, which I think is perfect for springtime. I say this a lot too with subscription services. If it's springtime, give me something that is spring forward. Give me, you know, pastels and soft, and give me, like they said, romantic type vibes and stuff like that. So I think they nailed it in terms of the palette. And then of course our brush set. Yeah, I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. I think it is a fantastic value. I like the curation here. I like the different variation of the products and stuff that we got. Yeah, I'd like to know what you guys thought. Comment down below, let's have that conversation. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can also hype this video, you can tap the bell so you never miss any of my videos, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye beauties!